Welcome to my channel. How to fix Wi-Fi 7 not connecting to devices. 1. Check if your device even supports Wi-Fi 7. Not everything out there can provide Wi-Fi 7 yet. Phones, laptops, tablets, if they're more than a year or two old, they probably only support Wi-Fi 6 or 5. 2. Split your bands. Routers mix 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz under one SSID, which confuses devices. I logged into my router, renamed each band separately, home_24, home_5, home_6. Now old plugs connect on 2.4, and newer devices use 6 GHz easily. 3. Disable WPA3 only mode. A lot of Wi-Fi 7 routers default to WPA3 security. Problem: tons of devices still can't connect it. Switch my Wi-Fi settings to WPA2/WPA3 mixed mode. Instantly fixed the can't connect issue on my laptop. For update drivers/firmware, my Windows laptop needed an Intel driver update before it could even recognize Wi-Fi 7 networks properly. Same for the router, check the manufacturer's site, not just auto-update. 5. Disable random Smart Connect features. Some routers have AI Wi-Fi or Smart Connect that tries to balance devices between bands. Honestly, it caused more problems than it solved. Turned it off. My connections got way more stable. 6. Last resort, reset network settings. Locate the reset button, tiny recessed button on the back or bottom. While the router is powered on, press and hold the button with a paper clip or pin. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds until the lights blink or router restarts. Release the button, the router will reset to factory settings. Thanks for watching.